For our next lesson, we're going to deal on the different letter combinations that produce the same sounds. First, we'll take up those that produce the sound of oo. Ready? Moon, soup, glue, fruit, flu. Let's repeat. Moon, soup, glue, fruit, flu. Next, we're going to take up the letter combinations that produce the sound of oi. Ready? Toy, coin. Let's repeat. Toy, coin. Next are the letter combinations that produce the sound of ow. Ow. Ready? Bout, bow. Bout, bow. Next are those with the sound of sh. Are you ready? Are you ready? Ocean, official, passion, lotion. Let's say them together this time. Ocean, official, passion, lotion. Next are those that produce the sound of o. Ready? Crumble, tentacle, bundle, rifle, bugle. Crumble, tentacle, bundle, rifle, bugle. Twinkle, apple, tussle, turtle, axle, puzzle. Twinkle, apple, tussle, turtle, axle, puzzle. And finally, those with the sound of Are you ready? Turn, actor, alter, year, learn. Turn, actor, alter, year, learn.